Welcome back. This is just a quick little channel update since I've been gone for a while. Cody Carrison sent me this awesome bust. We'll go over that more later. So big shouts to Cody. Thank you so much. And I got to remodel the studio a bit. Got my tools a little more accessible. Everything's a little easier now. But I've been really busy. I'm sorry I haven't had time to do more videos. I can show you a few things I've done, like I did this Manhattan recently. I like the way this came out. Didn't get much time to film, and I guess when I'm making this many masks, it's impossible to film them all. I really wish I could. I'd love to share with you everything that I do. But real quick, you just go over some of these. I did quite a few masks the past few months. This is a pretty cool one. You might have seen this in a short or something. But anyway, why are we here today? What is the point of this video? Well, there's one mask we're not going to do on the channel, and it's this mask. I'm just kidding. I actually like this mask. If someone can make this like 3D printed, I'll do it. But what we're talking about is, of course, the Jason Universe mask. I don't know, there's something about it. It's kind of sus. I mean, I like it all right. And they already took the Sweet Revenge movie down, which is also kind of sus. So you can't get real reference pics of it anymore. I kind of wish I'd gotten pics while you could. And, everybody else has done it already, and I don't know, I'm sorry, you guys. I know we said we would do every mask, but sometimes you just gotta take a stand, You gotta stick up for what you believe, and you gotta pick that hill to whatever on, and you know what I mean. That's called not selling out. You gotta stay true to yourself and not sell out. Sometimes you just gotta decide what you're not gonna do and not do it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will be back with more mask videos. We got a lot of cool stuff planned for 2026, I promise. So I just wanted to make it clear that this mask isn't going to be done in the channel, and I wanted to apologize for it formally. But I will be back with more mask videos, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. As always, welcome new subscribers. And remember, don't ever sell out. Sell out. Sell out. Sell out.